Hello YouTube. Welcome to the Eugene Torto YouTube channel. This is another follow-up on my trans rebuild. Anyone who hasn't been following, it blew. Made a big bang and stopped working basically. You can go look back at my other videos if you want. But so far, the majority of it is apart. I still need to make a fab up a tool for compressing that spring and that spring. No biggie there. Mechanically, I cannot find anything really seriously wrong with this. Nothing is broken. I expected to find like this sun shell to be broken. It's not. It's all in good shape. All the planetary gears are in good shape. And all the sprags seem like they're in good shape. So I'm kind of baffled. The only thing I could think of is the pump. I'll go over that here in a minute. That or this torque converter down here. The only thing I did find is, if you can see it, a bunch of nicks on that shaft there. That has me a little baffled. Only place that could have came from would be inside this torque converter, but I can't see how that would happen that way, so I'm a little baffled about that. Let me go over to the pump and I'll show you what's going on there. And I can't see where on the pump, if you can see it. It might be too bright. There's some wear on the housing there. When I took the vanes and everything apart, everything looked good, other than normal wear and tear. I did find this bushing beat the hell, and looks like someone beat the hell out with a screwdriver when they put it in. Probably a Jasper transmission. This was a rebuild from Jasper from one of the previous owners. So the only thing I could think is somehow this pump field, either one of the valves or maybe there's the pre, like there's the filter there. That filter looks real nice and clean. So I don't know what's going on with that. So I'll have to do a little more research. I did find one thing, and that was a lot of the bell housing bolts were backed out, but nothing bad. I mean, not enough. Like I could see if the bell housing bolts backed up like a lot, where this could disengage from the shaft on the torque converter, which drives the pump. These two tangs here. I don't know if you can see that. And it's the only thing I could think of. I mean, this thing would have to back out quite a bit for that to happen. And I just don't see it happening. There's no signs of it here. Let me get my light. There's absolutely no signs of that. I mean, this fits snug. I mean, it'd have to come out quite a bit for that to come loose. The only thing I can think of, either that something wrong with that pump or something blew inside the torque converter. Got me. Anyone have any input? Please do so. Got other projects to do. I got to order the rebuild kits and all that stuff. So got to decide what to do on that. And a couple more projects on this. Maybe I'll do one of them tomorrow. Who knows? Everybody have a happy YouTube day.